Tonight in our Making Middle Georgia Great series, we go to a group of dentists in Byron who are volunteering their time by offering dental services to those who can't afford it.
Daybreak anchor Kyle Warnke takes us inside the clinic and shows us how these volunteers are making Middle Georgia great, one smile at a time.
The sounds are familiar and the look is professional, but there's something different about this dentist's office.
There's not a clinic like this anywhere in Middle Georgia.
That's for a couple of reasons.
We're not a full-time clinic. We're not here every day. We're not even here every week.
The staff and doctors here are all volunteers, and every patient is carefully selected according to the federal poverty guidelines.
We do thousands and thousands of dollars worth of dentistry here at this clinic for just a fraction of what you would do in a private setting.
But there's something else that sets this one-time church parsonage apart from all the other clinics.
We also share the love of Jesus Christ with the patients that come our way.
Counselors are on site for guidance.
If there's anything that they need to talk about.
And all the equipment in this office is donated.
And I'm telling you, it's exactly what we needed.
Even the state-of-the-art panoramic x-ray machine and computer equipment.
The support has been outstanding from the dental community.
Addie Daniels is in today for a routine cleaning.
What does it mean to you to be able to have something like this?
It's a blessing. That's the best way I can say. It's a blessing, and we know where our blessings come from. It's just incredible. You can't really speak on how good they are.
The clinic recorded 1,200 volunteer hours, saw 238 patients, and was only open 20 days last year.
It doesn't seem like a whole lot, but it's 238 patients that would never have gotten dental care if we had not been here.
No!
And what more can be said than this?
Thank y'all so much.
You're welcome.
I appreciate it.
In Byron, Kyle Warnke, 41 NBC News.
To get more information about the Life Care Ministries and their volunteer dental clinic, we've posted a link to their website on ours at 41NBC.com.